Welcome to a world where every moment is a masterpiece. For her, luxury isn't just a choice, it's a way of life. A life crafted with intention, designed for ultimate well-being. Adventures await, tailored to her desires. From haute couture to bespoke experiences, every detail is curated. An evening of sophistication, an aura of undeniable charm. Connections that enrich, moments that sparkle. Her world extends beyond the ordinary, embracing opportunities across continents. Whether it's the thrill of the slopes or the tranquility of a spa, her life is a symphony of indulgence, shared moments, cherished memories. This is not just living, it's thriving. Experience the pinnacle of luxury. Live your extraordinary story.